So how do you adjust the brush size on Photoshop on the iPad? And not just the brush size, but also the style and all of the things. Let's explain that. But if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So you open up Photoshop, naturally locate any of your projects or start a new one. And on the left vertical panel, you can see a bunch of different tools. One of them, of course, is the brush tool. And you can tap on it like once to make the switch to make it look like this, where you can change the size and hardness and all of the other things in here as well. Like a lot of people want to just change the size of the brush, but in order to change the style or the way that it looks, you need to have the brush selected and then tap on it again, which makes this window pop up. And now you can basically scroll through the basic ones. There aren't that many of them. I would say like 20 or so, but you can also manage brushes by tapping on the three dots and choosing to manage it right here. So choose those which you want to use often to show up all the time. So you can click on show all and browse some other things in here as well. Or as you are in the section for brushes, you can also tap on the plus button and you can discover or import new brush styles, right? So a lot of people just go to the internet to download some new ones, or even if you have some of your existing files like brushes downloaded for Photoshop, you can also import them in here as well. So that's how it works. I do get it because it is a little bit hidden away when you're trying to find it. So that's why I make these videos. I hopefully manage to help you out a little bit. So if you need to stay tuned for more, most definitely subscribe and I'll catch you later in the next videos.